when U.S. District Judge Kathryn Kimball Mizelle tossed out the federal government's transportation mask mandate on Monday, she relied in part on her interpretation of the term sanitation. The 10-letter word can be found in the Public Health Service Act, a sprawling 1944 law that gave the federal. The Biden administration relied on a piece of the Public Health Service Act to defend its COVID-19 mask mandate on airplanes and other forms of mass transit. Specifically, the law says that if the government is trying to prevent the spread of communicable diseases, it can provide for such inspection, fumigation, disinfection, sanitation, pest extermination, destruction of animals or articles found to be so infected or contaminated as to be sources of death. Legal experts say her interpretation missed the mark. If one of my students turned in this opinion as their final exam, I don't know if I would agree that they had gotten the analysis correct, said Erin Fuse Brown, a law professor at Georgia State University. It reads like someone who had decided. In her opinion, Mizelle says that a common way judges decide the meaning of words in laws is to look up dictionary definitions that were contemporaneous with the passage of the law. In this instance, that's 1944. Mizelle says sanitation could have been taken to mean either actively cleaning something or measures to keep something clean, but ultimately settles on the former definition. Wearing a mask cleans nothing. At most, it traps virus droplets, Mizelle wrote. But it neither sanitizes a person wearing a mask nor sanitizes the conveyances. Mizelle says her reading is bolstered by the fact that other words listed alongside sanitation in the 1944 law, such as fumigation or pest extermination, refer specifically to cleaning something or trying to. But Fuse Brown says that while this understanding of sanitation may be true for lay people, it's not how the term is used in the public health field or understood by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which issued the mandate. Sanitation was just the old way in public health part. Fuse Brown points to the widespread mask wearing during the 1918 influenza outbreak, which came roughly 2.5 decades before the passage of the Public Health Service Act.